Isn't she beautiful?
Oh my God.
Take a look at her. She's no different than you. Now, I want you to tell them, take your time, tell them your condition that you had, tell them your symptoms, tell them your diagnosis, and then tell them what happened. They want evidence now.
Okay, thank you. So I had some traumas, like everybody. I have traumas. Knocked me down. And then this went on for several years. I had a father who had Alzheimer's, long time, long stuff.
Have you noticed that she's really not interested in the story of her past?
Right. And then I broke my leg. And I sat for 9 months while it healed.
Put that mic up closer, babe.
And when I stood up, when it was finally healed, I couldn't walk because my hip hurt so much.
How long ago was that?
Pardon?
How long ago was that, babe?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. So 3 years you've been walking around in pain.
3 years ago, I couldn't walk from here to the end of the aisle without, like, wanting to cry. And I forced myself to do it, but it got the better of me, and my life shut down.
So listen, excuse me.
Yes. Go ahead.
I'm going to help you here. So separation is trying, yes or no? Matter trying to change matter. Trying to push through with your will
Right.
and using your body to push through is only irritating the joint and creating more inflammation.
Exactly.
So she's fighting against herself by doing it matter to matter, experiencing separation. Yes or no?
Yes. He's right. That's exactly what happened. And I went to everyone. I went to chiropractor, I went to acupuncture, I went to prolotherapy, I went to physical therapy. I did it all over the years, and nothing helped.
How about drugs? You took drugs?
No, just Tylenol.
Okay,
But
Tylenol didn't work. An anti-inflammatory
didn't
work.
do
Okay.
anything. So then Dr. Joe shows up in my life, and I went to the progressive last year, about a year ago. The last progressive that he did. And, kind of on and off, did a little meditation, not really paying too much attention to it.
Didn't go to the edge.
Didn't know about the edge. And so
Now you do.
here, yesterday, after the second meditation, I was lying on the floor, and I felt, I want to say light, I want to say heat, right into my hip, right into it. And I wasn't thinking about anything. I wasn't doing anything special.
You weren't trying to heal your hip. You just kind of surrendered.
I just did, yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
just want to frame that further.
And there it is. And this morning I walked to the end of the walk, and I walked all the way back, and I'm walking like a crazy person.
So then, that wasn't matter to matter. That was energy to matter. Yes or no? Yes. Is she the living example of truth? Yes. Is she humble and beautiful? Yes. Is she just like you? Yes. If it happened to her, it could happen to you. Yes or no? Yes. So then you believe in it a little bit more by seeing evidence. Yes?